Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Prostate health and its significance. Welcome to our video on prostate health, a topic that's crucial for every man but often overlooked. The prostate is a small gland below the bladder vital to reproductive health. As men age, maintaining prostate health becomes increasingly important, as issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia and prostate cancer can arise. This video will explore various aspects of prostate health, including common conditions, symptoms to watch for, and the importance of regular checkups. We'll also delve into lifestyle choices that can positively impact your prostate, such as diet and exercise. But that's not all. We'll highlight the relevance of natural remedies and holistic approaches supporting prostate health. From herbal supplements to dietary adjustments, there are many ways to take charge of your well-being. So, whether you want to enhance your knowledge or seek proactive ways to maintain your prostate health, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and empower ourselves with the information we need to stay healthy. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding prostate health. The basics and functions. The prostate is a small, walnut-sized gland just below the bladder. It plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. Its primary function is to produce seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm during ejaculation. A healthy prostate is essential for overall reproductive health, but as men age, various issues can arise. One of the most common conditions affecting the prostate is benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the gland that can lead to uncomfortable urinary symptoms, such as frequent urination or difficulty starting and stopping urination. While BPH is not life-threatening, it can significantly impact quality of life. Regular checkups are vital for maintaining prostate health and ensuring early detection of potential issues. Many prostate conditions, including prostate cancer, can be asymptomatic in their early stages. By staying informed and proactive, men can catch problems early, leading to more effective treatment options. Remember, awareness and regular screenings are vital to safeguarding your prostate health and overall well-being. Prostate cancer overview. Understanding its impact. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers affecting men worldwide, with millions diagnosed each year. It occurs when abnormal cells in the prostate gland grow uncontrollably, potentially spreading to other parts of the body. While it can be severe, many men diagnosed with prostate cancer can live long, healthy lives, especially when detected early. Several risk factors can increase the likelihood of developing prostate cancer, including age, family history, and specific genetic mutations. Symptoms may vary but can include difficulty urinating, blood in urine or semen, and persistent pain in the back, hips, or pelvis. However, many men may not experience symptoms early, making awareness crucial. Early detection is vital for effective treatment. Regular screenings, such as PSA tests and digital rectal exams, can help identify prostate cancer before it progresses. Treatment options range from active surveillance to surgery, radiation therapy, and hormone therapy, depending on the cancer's stage and the patient's overall health. By prioritizing awareness and regular checkups, men can take proactive steps toward safeguarding their health. Prostate health awareness. The significance of staying informed. Prostate health awareness is crucial for men of all ages, yet many still need to be made aware of the potential issues that can arise. Education on prostate health empowers men to recognize symptoms, understand risk factors, and take proactive steps toward their well-being. By fostering awareness, we can break the stigma surrounding discussions about prostate health and encourage open conversations. Regular screenings are essential for early detection of prostate issues, including benign prostatic hyperplasia and prostate cancer. Men should feel encouraged to discuss their prostate health with healthcare providers, especially as they reach the age of 50 or earlier if they have a family history of prostate problems. Statistics underscore the importance of awareness. Approximately 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime, making it the second most common cancer among men. Furthermore, many cases are diagnosed at an advanced stage due to insufficient awareness and screening. By prioritizing prostate health education and regular checkups, men can significantly improve their chances of early detection and successful treatment, ultimately leading to better health outcomes. Natural remedies for prostate health. Supporting your well-being naturally. Natural remedies can significantly support prostate health. Dietary changes are one of the simplest yet most effective ways to promote prostate health. It can be beneficial to incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as tomatoes, which contain lycopene, and green tea, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. These foods help reduce the risk of prostate issues and support overall health. In addition to dietary adjustments, certain supplements have gained popularity for their potential benefits. Saw palmetto is a well-known herbal remedy that may help alleviate benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) symptoms. Similarly, Pygeum africanum, derived from the bark of an African tree, has been shown to support urinary health and reduce inflammation. Lifestyle changes also play a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. Regular exercise can improve circulation and hormone balance, while stress management techniques, such as yoga or meditation, can help reduce inflammation and promote overall well-being. By embracing these natural remedies, men can take proactive steps toward supporting their prostate health and enhancing their quality of life. Prostate health facts. Key insights for men. Understanding prostate health is essential for every man, and several important facts can help raise awareness. Additionally, benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) affects nearly 50% of men over the age of 50, highlighting the prevalence of prostate-related issues as men age. Age is a significant risk factor for prostate conditions. The likelihood of developing prostate problems increases dramatically after the age of 50, with the risk continuing to rise as men get older. Regular screenings and discussions with healthcare providers are crucial for early detection and intervention. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is vital for preventing prostate issues. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, combined with regular physical activity, can significantly reduce the risk of prostate problems. Additionally, managing stress and avoiding smoking can further support prostate health. By staying informed and proactive, men can take charge of their prostate health and enhance their overall well-being. Enlarged prostate explained. Understanding benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) and enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), is a common condition that affects many men as they age. BPH occurs when the prostate gland enlarges, leading to a range of urinary symptoms. Common signs include frequent urination, especially at night, difficulty starting or stopping urination, a weak urine stream, and the sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. The impact of BPH on daily life can be significant. Many men find these symptoms disrupt their routines, affecting sleep quality and overall comfort. The urgency and frequency of urination can lead to anxiety and embarrassment, making social situations challenging. It's essential to recognize that while BPH is not cancerous, its symptoms can significantly affect quality of life. Therefore, seeking medical advice is crucial if you experience these symptoms. A healthcare provider can offer guidance on management options, which may include lifestyle changes, medications, or, in some cases, surgical interventions. Early consultation can lead to effective treatment and improved well-being, allowing men to regain control over their urinary health. Enlarged prostate treatment options. Finding relief from BPH when it comes to managing an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH). Several treatment options are available to help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. Medical treatments often begin with medications, such as alpha blockers, which relax the muscles around the prostate and bladder neck, making urination easier. Another option is 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, which can shrink the prostate over time. For more severe cases, minimally invasive procedures like transurethral resection of the prostate, TURP, or laser therapy may be recommended to remove excess tissue and relieve urinary obstruction. In addition to medical interventions, lifestyle changes can significantly alleviate symptoms. Maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and practicing regular exercise can improve prostate health. Limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening, can reduce nighttime urination. While these remedies may not work for everyone, they can be a valuable addition to a comprehensive treatment plan. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment to ensure it's appropriate for your situation. Reversing an enlarged prostate. Exploring potential methods while an enlarged prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), is a common condition. Some methods may help reduce prostate size and alleviate symptoms. A balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can support prostate health. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and promotes hormonal balance, positively impacting prostate size. In addition to lifestyle changes, certain natural supplements may support prostate health. Saw palmetto is one of the most researched supplements, known for potentially reducing urinary symptoms associated with BPH. Other supplements, such as beta-sitosterol and Pygium africanum, have also shown promise in supporting prostate function and reducing inflammation. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of ongoing medical supervision when exploring these methods. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider can help monitor prostate health and ensure that any changes in treatment or lifestyle are safe and effective. By combining lifestyle modifications, natural supplements, and medical guidance, men may find a holistic approach to managing and potentially reversing an enlarged prostate. The role of urology in prostate health. Understanding its importance. Urology plays a vital role in managing prostate health, as urologists are specialists trained to diagnose and treat conditions affecting the urinary tract and male reproductive system. When it comes to prostate issues, urologists are equipped to perform essential evaluations, including digital rectal exams and prostate-specific antigen (PSA) tests, which are crucial for the early detection of conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH) and prostate cancer. Regular urological checkups are essential for maintaining prostate health, especially for men over the age of 50 or those with a family history of prostate issues. These checkups allow for monitoring changes in prostate size and function, ensuring that any potential problems are addressed promptly. If you have concerns about your prostate health, consulting a urologist is highly recommended. They can provide personalized advice, treatment options, and ongoing support tailored to your needs. By prioritizing urological care, you empower yourself to take control of your prostate health and enhance your overall well-being. Don't hesitate to reach out to a urologist for guidance and peace of mind regarding your prostate health. Understanding the prostate's role in the male reproductive system and recognizing common issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer can empower you to take charge of your health. Regular checkups with a urologist are essential for early detection and effective management of prostate conditions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness and provide valuable information on maintaining prostate health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future.